Hey beauties, so I'm on vacation. Basically, I'm on this trip and my skin is breaking out like crazy. I'm gonna try to do my makeup and conceal it and then check back up on you. Have really nothing to do today, so we gotta go make our own fun. So let's get started. Hey beauties, so I was able to cover almost all of my little blemishes, or not so little blemishes actually. So now we're gonna do a photo shoot out here in the woods. I've never been to this park and honestly it was like super kind of scary. Like it's at the end of like a block and like the parking lot is some guy's like house, which is kind of strange. But hopefully I don't get killed and hopefully, you know, it's fun. There's a lot of bugs out today though, which is gross, and it's humid and kind of raining. So I curled my hair, but now it's kind of not curly. So there's that. But anyway, so that's fine. But I'm excited for this photo shoot and I'm super hungry because like I only had a little bite of pizza for breakfast and it's now like 2 and I haven't had lunch, so I'm just like, let's hurry up this day because I really want lunch. So while I'm waiting for my photographer to get here, I thought I'd show you guys like something really cool. So here's this product that I just got sent. Like, can you guys see that? It's all wood. It's all like carved and it's just gorgeous. Like, this is such a pretty watch. I'm sorry that there's such like a bad glare over here, but it is so pretty. And in the back, you can see like the mechanics turning. I just think it's awesome. It is so pretty. I've been wearing it like all the time. I'm like posting pictures of it on Instagram, so make sure to check out my Instagram to see it. But I put this on the same wrist as my hair tie, so it kind of like covers it, and it's just so classy and so pretty. So I am in love with that, and I'm actually going to be doing a giveaway with that. So check the description to learn more about the giveaway because that's going to be happening and you don't want to miss your chance to get one of these watches. But let's keep going on with the day and let's go check out this photo shoot. Okay, so I've been hiking for like a minute, like literally, and there's so many bugs, but look at this cool thing. It's like a giant chimney in the middle of the forest. Isn't that like so cool? I won't go into it because I don't want to get eaten by bats, but that's what it looks like. I have a feeling hobbits lived here at one time, but who knows. So just got done with the photo shoot and it was so buggy. Like there's so many mosquitoes. It was nuts. So I covered myself in bug spray, but I still got like 20 mosquito bites, so I have to go inside and shower like immediately, and then I get to meet up with my sister to go to dinner. So I'm super excited about that. So hopefully I'll be able to film a little bit while we're at dinner and that'll be really nice. Hey beauties, so I'm at this salon. It's called Salon Noel and it's in Stamford, Connecticut, and I'm about to go get my hair done. I don't know exactly what I'm gonna do with it yet, but I'm really excited. So I just left my best friend Kelly's house, so she had to go to work and I had to come here. So yeah, so I'm about to get my hair done. I just kind of wanted to do like a quick shout out too in the beginning of this. So I have this Jord watch and it is so fabulous. They like just sent me it, and the really cool thing about it is look at how nicely it's packaged too, but it is made out of like wood. Like it is so cool. It's like carved out of wood, and then it's got like, this is the design I chose. I'll have a link for it in the description. It's got like this really cool mechanic in the back. Really nice. It looks so beautiful on. It is just like a gorgeous watch, so I just wanted to share that with everyone really quick because I'm doing a giveaway of it, and so I want all of you to enter the giveaway and try to win a watch, because who doesn't want to win a giveaway and win a absolutely fabulous watch? So yeah, all that information will be in the description, so make sure to check it out. But let's go get our hair done. I'm at the salon and look at how nice this is. It's got me a water with a lemon and a straw, sitting around watching TV. We can get my hair done. Hey! And then there's my stylish. Okay, so this is my before hair. And it's gonna look fantastic.
Yeah, absolutely.
So I'm super excited.
And it's not hot that you be leaving me messages every 10 minutes and then you stop by. When I first met you, you were cool, but it was game, you had me.
Okay, so this is the after. Got a nice trim, curly on this side. Looks amazing. So this is the finished look. We've got braids on this side going up and then going back, and then we've got curls on this side. It's kind of cool because it's like a different look no matter which way you kind of see it from. So I really like that about it. And also to me it kind of looks like a 90s like R&B star. I'm obviously about that. Sorry if like the noise was a little loud, but yeah, so it's curly on this side, braided on that side. It looks super awesome and it feels so nice. So I love it.